The Ministry of Transport has announced a 15% fare adjustment come August 16. In a statement, the ministry said effective August 16, commuters can expect a 15% fare adjustment in bus and taxi fares. Following several and varying requests for an increase, Cabinet noted the situation, reviewed the request, along with the economic impact of the pandemic on the general public and the resultant effect of the rate of inflation, and sought to find a solution. It is believed that this adjustment, after 8 years, created the right balance for all parties. Consultations with the Ministry of Finance indicate that this increase will affects national inflation by approximately 1%. The Transport Ministry outlines that a number of initiatives have been undertaken to improve the sector in order to improve service delivery. The Transport Authority, the Ministry, along with the National Council of Taxi Associations in Kota, have engaged taxi associations to help rid the sector of bad eggs by providing extensive customer service training for operators. Additionally, the recent staging of the Transport Stakeholders Conference, the establishment of a hotline to report deviant behavior, which may result in the cancellation and suspension of road licenses and badges, the introduction of technologies to assist with ride sharing, along with the ministry and the authorities' part sponsorship of the Blue Ribbon First Responders Training Program, an initiative spearheaded by the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services TODS, have all been used as means to transform the sector. While these improvements may be considered small steps, they are steps in the right direction, and the ministry remains dedicated to putting in the work to make a transformation. The ministry further outlines that amendments to the Transport Authority Act are far advanced, as well as the regulations to the Road Traffic Act. Meanwhile, the rate for the elderly, the disabled, and children will remain at 50% of the adult fare. There will be no change to the fare for the JUTC and Montego Bay Metro. The Transport Ministry further warns operators that no additional fares should be charged, stressing that the Transport Authority will be working steadfast in ensuring this is monitored and maintained. Members of the public are encouraged to report overcharging to the Transport Authority.